You think you're a Budgie? We're 6'7", man, how can you be a Budgie? You keep going to HMV and buy Budgie CDs and albums. Well, that doesn't make you a Budgie, it just makes you a Budgie fan. Oh, you're eating Budgie seed as well. Oh, each their own, still doesn't make you a Budgie. You changed your name by default to Joey. Joey what? Just Joey? Oh, and they keep saying, pretty Polly, all the time. Oh, there's only one cure for that, mate. There's only one cure, I'm sorry, there's only one cure. You'll have to go and watch Sheffield Wednesday Football Club. Every home game. Yes, that'll cure you. Yes. But you might turn into an owl. I think you'd be better off as an owl than a Budgie. Yeah. Sad case, very sad case.